Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed and this is a 2D drafting is available here, and this threads details is also available here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And today discuss here a very important this nozzle pipe design is discussed here, and all dimension is clear here easily and clearly. Okay, and this body is a nozzle pipe design, and all is a body is looking perfect and correct, and this is a looking so nice here, and this is a all is perfect and all gap is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is okay, and this body is designed how to easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, at first select a part, and some point is a very important, and use a plain white, and some setting is also image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and next is this is a perfect geometry is defined, and this length is a 18 millimeter, and draw a circle is 3.6 millimeter, and this gap is a 3 millimeter, and this length full length is 10 millimeter, but half length is diameter is 5 millimeter. Okay, and at first select a plane is right plane is perfect, and some for reference geometry is a drawing here, but use only reference. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a horizontal, and draw a center point arc, and the center point arc is a this is a okay, this point this drawing this this is a perfect and connect to this. Okay, but also use for construction geometry, but this is a use a reference point, and some this distance between this point to this is a 18 millimeter, and this diameter, this is a radius is a this radius is a 3.6. Okay, this is a perfect, and again drawing a small circle, and this circle is drawing a this, and this diameter is a this diameter is a 2.8. Okay, this is a diameter is 2.8, and also use a construction. Okay, this use a also use a for a use a construction. Okay, this is a perfect, and some line is drawing here. Select a line is a this drawing a this to this is a drawing here, and use this this line is a this. Okay, this line is a taper, not horizontal, but this line is a taper line because some angle is defined here. And next point is this is a perfect, and some use a okay, okay, and this is a some use this is a radius, drawing a this and circle, and this line is a this line is this, and some line is taper, and this line is also connect to this, but this line is some use this, and this line is also this, and use connect to this point is this. Okay, and some use this line to this line is okay, this line is use a collinear and connect a center line, this line to this point to connect here, and this line to this line is also collinear. This line is a vertical is perfect, okay, and next is use this line okay, and some use okay, okay, this line is use here and connect to this, and this is some taper line, and use this connect to this, and connect to this line to this, okay, and connect to this. This is a perfect and this distance is a 1.2, this point to this distance is 1.2, is perfect, and next is use some angle is this line to this is angle is 26 degree, okay, and this angle is distance is a 60 degree angle, okay, because this is a 26 degree angle is this, and 1.2 is distance, and this is a 60 degree angle, and this diameter is a 2.6, and this radius is 3.6. This is a 3.6 and 2.6. okay, all is perfect, and next point is Okay, this is a perfect. And use this is a, and this distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and this is a, this radius is a 0.8. This radius is 0.5 millimeter, and this is a 0.8 millimeter. Okay, this is a 0.8 millimeter, and this is a 0.5 millimeter. This is a 0.8, and also this is a point sorry, 0.5. Next is a, okay, so nice. And some point is very useful, and this point, and press a control button, and this is a okay, this is a vertical line, and this point, and this, okay, and this point, and press a control button, and this center point is a horizontal line, and this is a very important. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a, this is a, use a angle is this to, this is a 135, and okay, and this is a collinear is perfect, and some distance. Okay, this distance is a 6, this center point, and this distance is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and next is a, some point is this, and this circle is a 1.5, this is a 1.6, and distance is a 1.5. This to this distance is a 1.6. 1.5 is better, and this is a perfect. And the next is a, and this point to this point is distance is a 8 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and next is a, this distance is a distance is 11.8. Okay, this is a perfect. next is a some use a this is a use this point is a select here and use this point to this line, and this distance is a 5.9. okay, and okay, and this is a perfect and this point and this line is also use a default value, and this point is a tangent is also okay, and this point is also tangent. okay, and next is okay, one point is missing here, and one point is use this point is a 1.5. okay, all is fully defined, and this is perfect, all is correct and this is fully defined, and all okay, and this all dimension is okay, okay, and next okay, all point is perfect and all this is all geometry is fully defined, and this is perfect and correct. okay, all is one by one is all point is correct, and next is use a revolve boss and select this, select okay, okay, and next is this revolve boss base is delete here, and some value is edit here, and okay, but this point is this is the 12, and use this okay, and this use a 10, and use also 7, and this point is a 0.75. okay, this is a not use a, and use a 10, and use a 7, and this is a perfect and use a revolve boss, and okay, okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a very nice looking here, and next this face, select sketch normal, and click a hexagon and select this, connect to this center point. okay, and this is a line is a horizontal line, and mention this dimension, but this dimension is not used because this is a connect here, and this dimension is perfect, 11.8. okay, and some extrude cut is apply here, and extrude cut is a extrude cut is a this face. Select this face. Okay, and some use a extrude cut of flip side to cut. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. But and some use a this is a 11.11. 11 is better, and this is a 7.5. click OK. And extrude cut is a this is a 8.5. okay, through all is better, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And okay, and some use a fillet chamfer is used here, and one is perfect, and this is a this, and click OK. And next use a thread is user this. Okay, and this is use a 8mm, and use a offset is 2mm, flip side, and use a 6, 7. okay, metric to die, and use a this is a perfect, and select the sketch of convert entities, and use a extrude cut, and click OK. This is a perfect and correct. And some color is used here, and this color is a this. And OK. Okay, this length is a increase, and some use a okay, this sketch drawing here normal, and this length is a some 20 is perfect, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better, and also this thread is used here, and click this thread, and this is a 9mm is perfect, and 8.5 is better. 8.5 is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here and perfect. And okay, all is looking perfect and correct. Okay guys, this is a finally drawing here. Nozzle pipe is designed, and guys, I hope you will learn all this process is easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, today discuss here a very important project discuss here, and this project is a grease nipple design. Okay, and this grease nipple design is very useful and helpful. All today drafting is okay. This is a dimension is all dimension is clear looking here, and all dimension is perfect. Okay, you can see here easily and clearly all dimension is looking here. And today discuss here a very important project discuss here, and today discuss here one by one in all project, all point is discuss here one by one. And this is a thread value, this is a thread value is also available here. Okay, and this project is drawing here easily and clearly. Okay, and all point is discuss here one by one, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a use a section view, and section view is also available here. This is a perfect. And this is a nipple, and this is a round is this mouth is closed. Okay, and this is a perfect. And okay, this is a perfect and correct. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first click a part is this, and some setting is very important. Use a plain white, and this is going to option property, and this is a document property, and use image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is perfect. Okay, at first drawing some geometry, and this geometry is click here. This body is design. At first, this is a radius is 6 mm is curve, and this curve is 2 mm. Okay, and this distance is 4 mm, and this distance is 10 mm. Okay, and this center distance is 5 mm, and this full distance is 8 mm radius and distance, and this middle is 6 mm. And okay, select a plane, front plane, and select a line is draw a line is below the origin point, and this is okay, drag a curve is this, and also this is a curve is also select here. Okay, and drag a straight line, and this line, and this is a okay, and this line is this connect to this. Okay, and this line is very important. Okay, and some geometry is defined here, and this point, center point, and this origin point, this is a coincident. Okay, this is a very important. And align a dimension is this curve is 6 mm, and this curve is 2 mm. Okay, and this distance is a 4 millimeter, and also this distance is a 5 millimeter, and this point to this line distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, and this center point to this distance is a 6 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect and all is this is a fully defined. Okay, and this line is a okay, and this is a delete here. Okay, and this is a use a horizontal. Okay, and this line is also vertical line, and all is perfect. This okay, all is correct and perfect. And use this is a revolve boss and click this. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, next point is discuss here. This is a drawing this hexagon. Hexagon is distance is a hexagon. This is a hexagon distance is 14.3, and a circle is drawing this is a 18. Okay, at first select this face, sketch normal, drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is a this, and also drawing a circle. Circle is a this. This is a bigger circle is drawing here, and this is a vertical line. A vertical line is drawing here, and dimension is this point to is a 14.3. 14.3 is perfect, and this circle is a 18. Okay, and 14.3 is perfect because this is a curve is this some upper side line is perfect, and also 2 is better. 14.33 is perfect, and click a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 5 millimeter because this is a perfect, and click OK. OK and correct. Okay, all is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and next is this, and also select okay, next point is select this, and okay, and this is a fillet is 0.5 millimeter is fillet. Use a fillet 0.5. This is a and perfect. Okay, and some important point is discuss here. This is a perfect. A 3.5 millimeter is perfect, and one is also this is cutout is a 3 millimeter, and 23 millimeter is cutout. Also this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is a 3 millimeter, and this is a perfect 3 millimeter, and this cutout is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is up to 23 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect line. Select here. Okay, this is a perfect, and 23 is a correct. Okay, this is a better, and also use a this is a perfect. Okay, and next is use here this use this is a okay, this is a perfect lane. Okay, one is a missing point, and this is use a this is a 10. Okay, this is a perfect 10 millimeter is perfect. Some missing point, and this length is a 10 millimeter, and click OK. Okay, and section B is also click OK, and also OK. All is perfect. And use a chamfer. Okay, use a chamfer. Chamfer is a 1 millimeter, and click this, and click OK. And next is use this use a front plane. Okay, use a right plane, and use a plane this, and this plane is a select a 3.5 millimeter. Okay, and click OK. This is a perfect, and select this sketch normal. Okay, and draw a circle. Circle is a this circle is drawing here, and this circle diameter is a this. Okay, this is a diameter is a cutout, and this cutout diameter is a okay, and this diameter is a 10.5. Okay, this is a 10.5 is perfect. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a use this is a direction is reverse, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this plane is hide. This plane is hide. Okay, and again select a front plane, sketch normal. Okay, and drawing a second sketch, and second sketch is also very nice and very important. Okay, and some use a select a line. Line is a select this point, select a line. Okay, and this line is a this this to this point, and also this drag a curve. Curve is a this to this, and connect to this. This is a very important. And also this line is a this is a 12 millimeter. Okay, this 12 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and also this is a 4 millimeter, and this line is a 3 millimeter, and also this line is also 3 millimeter. Okay, and because this line is a perfect, this distance is 3 millimeter, and also this is 3 millimeter. This distance is 3 millimeter, and also 3 millimeter, and this distance is 5 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 4 millimeter. Correct, 5 millimeter and 4 millimeter, and this curve is a 2.6 millimeter, and this is a fillet is 1 millimeter. Okay, and all is perfect, and this distance is a 5.2 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 5.2 millimeter, and this curve is a 2 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 3 millimeter is also, and this line to this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, because this is a 5.2 millimeter, and okay, this is a 5.2 millimeter, and this is a curve is a 2.6 millimeter. Okay, 2.6 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a perfect, but this point to this distance is a, okay, this line is delete here, and this point to this distance is a 5.2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and all is correct, but this is a 4.5 millimeter, and all is correct. Okay, okay, all is perfect. This is a 4 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter, 2.6 millimeter. This cutout is a 2 millimeter, and this is a length is a 12.7 plus 3 15.7 millimeter is cutout is this is a this, and okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and click a revolve boss base and click this. Okay, all is perfect. Looking here, click OK. Okay, but some point is very important. This is this face. This face is a sketch here. Sketch normal, drawing a hexagon. Okay, drawing a circle, a big circle, and also drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this line is a vertical. Okay, line is a vertical, and this is a this point to this is a 9 millimeter, and also select this is a 11 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 9 millimeter, and this is a 11 millimeter is this. Okay, and use extrude cut. Extrude cut is perfect, and use a 5 millimeter only, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this face select here a sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is a this, and this circle is a 2 millimeter, and extrude cut is apply here. Extrude cut is a 15.7, because, and you can see here easily this is a perfect and correct, and use a this is a 12.7 plus 3 this distance is 3, and this is a use a 12.7 15.7. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and this is a perfect, and correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and use a section and click OK. This is a looking nice, and OK. And also select a front plane, sketch, normal, or drawing a center line to this to this, this to this, or drawing a circle is this, circle is this, and drawing a line connect to this to this. Okay, and this is use a trim and trim, delete here, and this line is a this, and use a revolve boss and click this. Okay, and click OK. This is a, and select this and use a material is chrome. Okay, and also use this material is apply here, and this material is a brush. Okay, and also this is a perfect, and section view is also, and click OK. This is a looking perfect, and this ball is a drawing here, and ball is a, this is a OK. This is a perfect. Okay, and next is a apply a thread, because all is a perfect looking here, and all geometry is one by one is design here. Only a thread is apply here, and thread is a length is 9 mm and pitch is 1 mm, and M7 size, offset is 2 mm, and thread is apply here a thread, and click OK. This is a, and offset is 2 mm. Okay, and use a OK. This is a perfect, and this is a 9 mm. Okay, 9 mm, and a metric die, and M7 multiply 1 mm, and click OK. Okay, this is a thread is a very nice looking here, and okay, all is looking perfect, and all geometry is a design here. Okay, okay, and select OK. This is a perfect. Okay, guys, all point discuss here are very important, and guys, I hope you will learn all point discuss here are very easily and clearly learn here. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.